This is Ray from Ray Knows Vegas. Just reaching out to you. I know we've got a lot of things going on with the COVID-19 right now. We're all wearing masks and we're trying to take care of each other. But we're doing a lot of home improvements at this time right now. So what I've got going on is I'm doing a complete pool. We're doing we're gonna paint the pool. We're doing some patchwork on it. It's an older pool, but that needed to be taken care of. To get started with this, you're gonna need a few things. First of all, you wanna drain the pool. You've gotta have a good pump. You gotta have a good pump that drains the pool. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to have a power washer. You're gonna power wash the pool, you're gonna acid it, it's gonna clean out the pool, and then you're gonna have to re-drain it again with the pump. You also gotta have a shop vac. Shop vac's gonna get up that little bit of water or rocks or whatever else that's left over there. You're gonna need a broom, you're gonna need a dustpan, you're gonna need a bucket, and then once all the pool is drained, then we're gonna do some patchwork. So get ready, I'm gonna show you how to do some patchwork, okay? Follow me. Okay, so we're getting ready to do some patchwork. I've already done all of the work. I just wanted to give you an example of the tools that you're gonna need when you do the patchwork. So what you wanna start off with is, you need a grinder. It's great to have one of these grinders. You can cut in the concrete if there's some really bad patches. In the beginning when we started this, we didn't think we had that much work to do. But as you can see, there's a lot of spots that really were pretty bad. You need a hammer. You can use a little chisel if you want. You can carve out, knock out. You need about 1/4 inch if you want to put a little plaster in there, okay? You're gonna need a mask. You're gonna want some goggles because dust and everything's gonna be flying around, so you don't wanna be getting anything in your eyes, the mask. Then you're gonna need to mix your cement. It's a plaster. We got a pool plaster that they use for the pools. We've already mixed it. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna fill in the hole. Start out, fill in the hole. You wanna spread it all around evenly. All right, so we want to get that plaster on it nice. Then we want to go over it. You want to level it out. Get the extra plaster up around the sides. Then you've got your sponge. You want to have another bucket of water. Rinse it out. And then just get a little level on it. You want to try to get up the extra that's around, but you smooth it out. And there you go. Takes about a day to dry, and then the next process we're gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna show you how to paint the pool, and then we're gonna have a finished product. It's gonna look great. So we just got ready to do the epoxy paint now. So you've gotta have a few things. You've gotta have a good drill. You've got your paint brushes, couple different paint brushes, and this is a 2-component mix. So I like to mix it right in the gallon that I'm using. I pour it inside and then I start mixing it. I want to mix it for about 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see the patchwork we've got around on the bottom of the pool. That's going to get all cleaned up once we start doing the painting on it. But this is a great process. I like to mix it right in the can. Works out well. I look forward to talking to you soon. When we get through with the whole project, you'll get to see it when it's all done. Should take about, after you paint the pool, it takes about 5 to 6 days. You want to let it dry really, really well before you fill the pool, okay? So we just finished the project of painting the pool. And whenever you use epoxy paint, you want to give it 5 to 6 days to let it dry. We also did a nice little seal around the stone. As you'll be able to see, it draws out the life in it. So if you have any projects at your home, before you want to put it on the market, painting, sealing pools, doing some upgrades, listen, reach out to me. I'm happy to help you. If you're interested in buying, selling, or investing in real estate, give me a call. Ray at Ray Knows Vegas, and I hope to see you soon on my next project. You take care, and we'll see you soon.